Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking capability and connection, because if the monitor or cable lacks rotation support, you'll waste time. Once connected, open your operating system's display control panel. On Windows, go to Settings System Display. On macOS, open System Preferences Displays. Make sure detection finds the correct monitor and identifies resolution and refresh rate. Now select the display you want to rotate and prepare to change orientation. This first action sets up everything for the rotation to apply cleanly. Next, change orientation directly and then fine-tune parameters so content looks correct. In Windows, choose Orientation, Landscape. In advanced GPU panels, use Rotate 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees. Once done, make sure resolution equals the monitor's native value and adjust scaling so text and UI are comfortable. Calibrate color and reposition the display if the image shifts. If using GPU software, apply the change there too so the hardware driver retains the horizontal setting after sleep or reboot. Finally, apply and confirm the horizontal orientation works across apps and full-screen content. Test video playback and window dragging. Save a profile in your GPU or monitor software so the orientation persists. If the image appears cropped or black bars show, make sure scaling and overscan are disabled and refresh rate matches the panel. Troubleshooting tip: if rotation won't stick, reinstall or update the graphics driver. Try a different cable or port and check monitor firmware. These often fix persistent orientation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.